Helps protect your fifth wheel trailer against friction and wear. Cushions vibrations. Constructed from high-density, wear-resistant plastic. No drilling or tools required for installation. 10 diameter. Camco's premium 10 RV fifth wheel lube plate with TPFE helps protect your fifth wheel trailer against friction and wear. It cushions vibrations and is constructed from high-density, wear-resistant plastic. There is no drilling or tools required for installation. Top reviews from the United States. Works as described. There were no dislikes. It worked as described, user-friendly and seemingly accurate. I put this one in my RV and will purchase another for the house.